welcome again to our new video for our Ansible tutorial, lesson 9. And we're going to uh, discuss about error handling, okay? Pag may mga error po natin na supposedly it will trigger, nakikita po natin siya. So if ever na meron pong mga conditions for our error sa atin at gusto natin i-ignore lang, pwede natin siyang gawin into conditional. Okay? And right now, meron pa akong iba-ibang role here for our uh, error. Kasi if you're going to check here right now sa ating Ansible natin na error handling, meron po akong ignore error, custom failure, change state, and handling block. Okay? And right now, naka-activate yung ignore error natin and how it will work. If you're going to go inside sa ignore task main po natin, ito po yung task niya. So ignore errors in the task and it will be non-critical failure. For example, if this command you're going to ls, okay, uh, which is uh, true sa ating condition because if you're going to ls sa ating mga Linux distributions, merong talagang yung host na yan, okay? So it will not get an error because meron talaga siya, okay? So bypass siya, which is okay. And how about we going to make it wala tong file, okay? Yan. At ang ating condition is ignore yes. So though it will throw an error, but you will see right now na it will label as ignoring. Okay? Meron po tayong mga scenario like that sa mga ginagawa natin everyday sa server natin. If things na medyo annoying na siya for throwing an error sa ating mga task po natin, you can choose it to or to make it ignore. Okay? So like for example, it will throw an error because wala po tong file nito, but it will resume and it will label na ignoring. So watch guys, so ano mangyari? Okay? And it will ignoring. Though it will throw something red here, but it will ignore. But basically, we can also remove this. Gagawin natin yan siya siguro sa next na mga video natin na hindi natin makikita to. But basically, you can see he met the conditions. Wala ngang file na host that blah 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 and ignoring this error, so it will throw ignoring. Okay? So, gagawin natin, how about walang no pag gagawin natin. So, mawawala to siya, di ba? Not ignoring, pero makikita natin yung pula pa rin. Okay? So, i-throw an error, ba't nawawala, ba't nawala yung green? Okay, yung ignoring. Okay, balikan po natin. Okay. How about yung change when? So, it will only mark task as not changed to avoid confusion lang. Okay? So, kaya merong ganito. So, if you're going to draw it true, ano po yung mangyayari? Okay? Same pa rin. Uh, it will ignore pa rin. Put it at ignore. Okay? Into chess. Okay? So that is the one role here. And again, sa next natin is we're going to tackle about custom failure. Okay, the next role that we're going to test is yung custom failure. So if you notice here, we have a module na ginamit dito is stat, and then he will try to find the variable that we uh, declare here. So i-register nyo as a file check. Okay? So when failed, kung mag-failed ang condition nito, failed when, so failed only if file doesn't exist. Okay? So right now, sa aking server right now, wala po tayong temp na yon, okay? Yung temp na files, okay? Kasi ang nasa loob dito sa ating var natin is yung temp test file, okay? So wala siya. Ngayon, if you're going to check it, so true na wala talaga doon, it will throw an error, okay? Okay? So right now, like for example, gagawin po natin siyang, create po tayo ng file, okay? Touch natin, okay? See, meron po tayong test file dito. So pag i-run po natin to siya, so the condition is true na meron siya at hindi siya magto-throw ng error. Okay? So, bypass lang siya. So, yan po yung ating custom failure natin. Okay, we're here again. Sa next role po natin ay ito po yung certain task po natin. And we use here again file modules sa ating Ansible. And then yung path po natin which is yung uh, we declare here is just a temp. Basically, if you're going to check in it, wala po tong laman. Okay? Walang laman yung ating temp na yan. So, sabi niya dito, pag wala nakita niya na walang file dyan, ang gagawin niya is create a file which is yung test file. Okay? And then change false. So, always report siya as okay. So, the moment na we create an file here or nag nag-run niraran po natin yung isang Ansible playbook to to meet the conditions at re-recreate naman niya. So, ang tawag nito, pag gagawin niya is to repeat again sa task na yon, hindi na siya mag-create. Okay? Always okay na. Okay? So, right now, wala siyang file, no? Kanina, wala siyang file. So, if you're going to play, run the playbook right now, so okay, and then execute yung file and create the file. Right now, if you notice, clear po natin to. Wala tong file, di ba kanina? So if you're going to check on it, meron na siyang file. Okay? So malinaw naman guys, di ba? Yun, may test file po tayo. Okay? Ito. So, ganun lang guys, no? So every time we hit again another Ansible playbook, wala na. okay? It will not throw an error. Okay, so the last state role na ang gagawin natin, the last role that we're going to tackle right now is yung handle block. So you can see here sa ating roles, handle block, task. Ang nasa loob niya is we have a block of demonstrate rescue error recovery. So we're going to use block. So to attempt to delete a non-existent file. So module natin is file. So right now, we're going to check on it. Wala po tayong file dito. Okay. Pero pag i-run po natin to, it will create a file. Okay. Oops, mali. Okay, so attempted to delete non-existing file. Sorry about sa explanation. Dapat may file siya dito to test. Okay, touch natin. Pag meron siya dito, merong file na test file sa ating server. He, uh, what he's trying to do right now is to attempt to delete the non-existent file. Okay, okay. Nag-change siya, guys, and then it will uh, go here sa next na block of ano natin, uh, task natin is always regardless successful or failure. So, nararan pa rin to siya, makikita pa rin natin siya dito. Okay? So, we're going to check again here. May files sila kanina. Ngayon, wala na tong file. Okay, nawala, di ba? Yan. So, sa Always Rescue, probably what you're going to do is para ma-meet to siya is to meet this condition. Okay? Ito, i-debug naman din yan. So, run only if the block failed. Okay?